So this is our TV wall that we made for our bedroom. Sitting here, say at the bed, you could see past it. It's all closets back there, so we don't have a wall to mount the TV on. We considered doing one of those drop-down TVs from the ceiling or a pop-up TV out of a chest at the foot of the bed, but this kind of seemed a little bit more fun, something cooler, a little accent in the middle of the room. We built it all. This is all steel, solid steel bar. We bent all of these squares. It was one long straight piece, and bent them all up. We followed pretty much a little square theme by making these here, a big box over here as well. Cut them, welded them in the center right here, blended our welds so you don't really see anything. This was all flat strip. We bent these boxes up, had a friend make these oak little shelf or boxes, little tchotchke go on there, fake candles, some pictures or something. So the whole frame of it is steel tube, 2x3 steel tube. We welded these cross beams in, blended the welds in the front here so it all kind of looks like one piece. This lower one right here, during construction of it, we drilled a big hole going straight down through it. Over to the side here, we drilled a hole through the side of this vertical tube, and we snaked a wire through it. So all the wires for the TV go down into that tube, across up here, and straight in, up through the ceiling into the attic. The Verizon box is up in the attic as well. So it's got a little IR remote extender right here. So you run the remote to the Verizon box, it's reading it up in the attic. So there's absolutely zero wires going to it. The electric goes up into the attic, everything. And back here for the backside, I didn't want to see any bolts for where the TV gets mounted, like with the a wall mount for the TV. So I welded strips inside here. The TV's actually mounted on that. This way the back has just a real clean appearance straight across. Even painted the little bolts to try and blend them in a little bit. And we have two nutserts up here with 1/2-inch bolts coming from the attic straight down, bolting this through the ceiling. And we have little feet sticking off the bottom on both sides of this with more bolts going straight down into the framing under the floor. And we cut the carpet around it nice and tucked it back and glued it back down. So it's just a real clean look. Again, no wires. That's one of my big pet peeves. This dresser is going to be going, so we'll just kind of decorate the wall a little bit, just leave this space a little more open. And that's that. Clean, simple design. TV where we want it. Not a wire in sight. Custom built. Had it powder coated, semi-gloss white. And that's that.